Good morning, today's January 10th, 2019, and today's refinishing project is located in Orinda, California. We're going to be doing a kitchen sink today for this customer. Let's have a look at it. So it's standard double kitchen sink. Disposal area bowl is just worn out at the bottom, both of them actually. And then we have this damage on the top. This is a large chip that looked like it was patched at one time. So we're going to repair all this right here. Okay, so the kitchen sink is complete here in Orinda. So let's have a look at it. Repair the patch up here. And there we go. If you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900, and we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.